just how quickly we're seeing this market get worse. It was the worst day for Wall Street since 1987. Leadership or offer policies and technologies that are good for the environment. This comes from BlackRock over and over again. It looks like they're going in the right way because of what they do. People who make guns should do more to protect American lives, they said. Some companies have said that they want to make things safer. But so far, working with authoritarian countries has done the opposite. You are giving BlackRock money without knowing it, and you have to help lower that over time. Putting out its numbers this morning, about 1.2% of shares are down. There are, however, high hopes for that business, but it looks like. Are you interested in making money without doing anything by selling automatically on Bybit? I'd like to share something interesting with you that's free. You don't even have to sit in front of your computer all day to follow my trades. Just click on the link below. You can also see how much money I make every month from trading by clicking the link in the description. Making money at your own pace is what it's all about. Look it over. Make sure you watch all the way to the end so you don't miss anything. Before we talk about our subject, let's check out the chart and see what happens to Saber's price on October 30. Right now, the price of Saber is about 801 units. It has been a day since $129 million worth of deals, and Saber's price has gone down by 0%. It is now the 19th most expensive cryptocurrency, worth more than $4.7 billion on the market. Keep in mind that the prices may have changed since you watched the movie. This information is not meant to be taken as business advice. Click the link in the description to check out our brand new official Telegram account. We just put out a micro market cap gem that is expected to go up in value a lot. Join the group for free to find out more about the project. Let's begin the video for today. After idea, I added Shibarium, Shib, and allied BAD. It was traded on the biggest exchange in Australia. Australia's best cryptocurrency exchange, GroveX, has said it will now accept another token that is linked to the Layer 2 Shibarium blockchain in a roundabout way. GroveX, whose team is working with the Shiba in the US right now, thinks the AI token is a bad idea. GroveX adds support for BAD and shows banned after adding support for Shibarium. A new X post from the platform says that you should look into how DAO, blockchain, and AI can work together with BAD. They said that trade would start today and gave out the Ethereum address where BAD deposits can be sent. GroveX began in the middle of August and joined the Shibarium blockchain last week. The Shib team, led by Satoshi Kusama, made the Shibarium blockchain. GroveX's CEO said in a tweet that Shibarium will become one of the best chains for their wallet after this union. GroveX had Pepe and Shibarium trifecta earlier this year. GroveX slowly added all three Shibarium tokens Shiba Inu, Shiba Swap, and Doge Killer to its trade list, which made these tokens more useful over time. Close to the end of August, GroveX also added support for Pep, a popular joke coin that has nothing to do with Shibarium. Memes on the internet about the well-known frog Pepe were used as inspiration for the meme coin. Recently, the BAD and Shib teams worked together. The mysterious head of the Shib team, who goes by the name Satoshi Kusama, tweeted that he had met with some BAD team members and talked about Shib's secret and not-so-secret AI plans. One of them seems to have been used recently, as the BAD team and Satoshi Kusama worked together to make an AI bot on the Shibarium Tech Telegram channel. A post on October 24 by the BAD concept team said that this AI, which was both complex and controversial, could predict how different tactics would work, look at market patterns, and do many other things. The bot has written several messages on the Shibarium Tech channel saying that its main goal is to get rid of geographical limits and make it easier for everyone to use advanced AI technologies. The ability of this ad bot to improve ways of communicating in another important way can help the Shib team and its community. In one of those messages, the bot said that it would help the Shib team improve how the community interacts, how news is covered, and how updates are sent out. Thank you very much for watching. If you're still there, please hit the like button. It's free, and it really helps with channel support. But keep an eye on this page for the latest Shiba Inu news and changes to the Shiba Inu cash. The Shiba Inu's burn rate goes up by 5,600% and turns into a parabola curve. A lot of people are interested in Shiba Inu, the second most popular cryptocurrency on the market. It is a unique meme coin that has gone viral. The fact that the development team is involved in projects like the Shiba Inu burn shows how much they care about the coin progress. The Shiba Inu's burn rate has changed over time. There have been days when the numbers went up and days when they went down. The burn rate has been steady for a few months now, with an average of millions of SAGIB being burned every day. According to the most current information from Shiba Inu, the burn rate of Shiba Inu has gone up by 5,600% because of the good market conditions. Shiba Inus have a burn rate that goes up by 5,600%. The Shiba Inu page has details about Shiba Inus. Shows that 268.4 million lambs have been taken to dead wallets in the last day. A big deal 18 hours ago sent 250 million sheep to the dead wallet. It's good news for the Shib group that the burn rate has gone up instead of down. The rise in burn rate happens at the same time that Shiba Inu has been performing better over the past few weeks. Stay tuned, though, because we're about to find out more about the Shiba Inu coin and how it might affect the value of the project tomorrow and today. Now for the main story of today's movie. The countdown to 72 for Shiba Inu starts. What's the point? Recent sources say that the Shiba Inu 72 or countdown to its unique self-custodial identity for sheep has officially started. With this action from the development team, the Shiba Inu ecosystem is about to hit a big point. The Shiba Inu's unique ability to keep itself safe for sheep after a 72-hour wait. On October 28, Shiba Inu announced that the long-awaited unique self-custodial identity for sheep is now being worked on. Before the news, Shib, the sheep cryptocurrency's Layer 2 scaling solution, was made public. The statement says that the self-custodial identification project will change the blockchain business in a big way and cause a lot of trouble. Also, Calderia, the person who made Shiba Inu, used his old username to let everyone know that the self-custodial identity was coming to the Shiba Inu environment soon. This is the start of your self-custodial identity. The news not only woke up the huge and dedicated sheep army, but it also caused the price of sheep to go up right away, which is called a positive trend. The post is read, by being a part of the new self-custodial identity project. First, by giving users a lot of power over their personal data, it could bring more people to the Shib ecosystem, which could cause the price of cryptocurrencies to take off. Furthermore, the project could lead to more buyers wanting to buy Shib tokens because they believe in its long-term potential. This could also create new business opportunities for Shiba, such as using Shib to verify identity online. The Shib army is clearly excited about the upcoming self-custodial identification effort, even though not all of the details of the plan have been made public yet. On Wednesday, November 1, 2023, however, users will be given full instructions on the steps they need to take to get their unique Shib identity. The Shiba Inu use a self-governing identity system. Earlier this year, the project's main developers told the cryptocurrency community that all Shiba Inu projects would use blockchain-based identity systems for self-sovereign recognition. The SSI stands for a digital identity that is owned and controlled by the user. In traditional centralized identification systems, personal information is saved with organizations or platforms. This system, on the other hand, gives people full control over their identity, including whether it is real and what it can be used for. The idea of a blockchain-based identity system is not new, but the blockchain community is slowly warming up to it. It shows a forward-thinking attitude that the SSI is used in all Shiba Inu projects because it stresses the importance of user data security and privacy and shows a world